Okay, guys, came home to a stack of these Slapz audio boxes on my front porch, so I figured I'd do a quick unboxing and just let anybody that was interested or curious to see what they look like check them out. So it was a box inside of a box so far. This was the UPS box. It had a couple of small filler pieces of paper in there to keep this one from shifting around. But let me just say real quick as a disclaimer, budget power, cheap raw power. That's what I bought. That's all I'm expecting to get. I didn't pay for packaging, any special packaging or labels or anything like that. So I'm not expecting this to be like a Fort Knox box that this thing's in. You know what I mean? My JP83s, they came solid boxes, heavy, thick, old styrofoam in there. I'm not expecting this to look like that. No, I haven't opened it and looked already, but we're gonna take a look together here right now. So let's see what we get. Budget, cheap, raw power. Keep that in mind. Box inside a box. Looks like a couple of Slapz audio stickers. Throw one of those on the turd build. This looks like a wired bass knob. Real quick. Exactly what that is. Bass control, level control. Looks like just standard style telephone cord jack. A lot of you know more about that than me. I don't use this style of bass knob, but looks like if there's any bass heads out there in the community that happen to stumble upon this video, I'm gonna have 8 of these bass knobs. If anybody knows if they're universal or if anybody finds out or from Slapz wants to comment, I won't be using these bass knobs because I have my own. But happy to share a couple with any bass heads out there in the community that might need them. Just shoot me a PM. Anyways, looks like we've got a plastic baggie wrapped around the amp, which is a pretty good size footprint, a little bit bigger actually than what I was expecting. And then some styrofoam, just keep it from shifting around in the box. So again, you get what you pay for. I didn't pay a whole lot. I ain't expecting to get a whole lot. As long as it turns on and plays, and does close to what it's supposed to do, I'll be more than ecstatic, more than happy. All right, so that's a pretty good size amplifier, to tell you the truth. Really good size amp, holy crap. Anyways, okay, so speaker outputs, positive and negative. They're on the same side as 2 positive 12 volt, and then your 2 grounds. Terminals are over here. The remote terminal for turning it on and off through your head unit, relay, whatever switch you're going to use. That's in between the 2 grounds right here. Looks like this takes at least a 1-aught. I'm just guessing. I didn't look. Maybe it's 2. If I'm wrong, don't send the cavalry out to take me out tonight. It could be a 2-aught. I'm going to guess it's 1. And then I think I read 6 gauge on the speaker outputs. So they do use the, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but it is the Phillips head screws. It's not Allen sets in there. Again, budget amp, you get what you pay for. They ain't hurting my feelings by doing that. RCAs, gain or level control, your high and low pass, and then hey, we all know about that bass boost knob. We're going to take all 8 of these amps and turn that bass boost all the way to the right. You know how we do it. Not. Remote for your wired bass knob, and then green on, amber or yellow clip, and red protect lights is what they got there. So looks pretty simple, straightforward. We're going to run 8 of these on the 4 subs. If anybody's curious, it looks like about 20.5 inches across the top and roughly 21.5 across your mounting holes here at the bottom. So that's what I got. On the length, it's got a little bit of weight to it. So I may hook this up to my test bench here this evening. If I get some free time. I've got a 15-inch EMF audio sub sitting down here that's new in the box. I want to just free air it. We may do that, so stay tuned. There might be some more to come. Peace.